You have to say it with me.
Okay.
What is up? what is up, my peoples?
My people.
Wow. Today, actually, wait. First, I need to say this is my boyfriend Caesar.
I love you.
This is my boyfriend Caesar. He didn't want to be in my video because he hasn't gotten a haircut in a while.
No, it's because of what we're gonna do. That's why.
He's gonna be doing my makeup today.
Let's get to it.
But why are you nervous?
Because I'm not good.
That's okay. Right? We don't judge here. No judgment.
Let's cut to the chase. Let's cut to the cheese. Let's cut some cheese. Let's get it done.
Okay,
Let's go.
I gave you some products here. Do you know where to start?
You gave me a toothbrush.
What?
Cushion pin. And a few brushes.
I don't know what you're talking about right now.
Alright, makeup people. So, if you were to do makeup on yourself, what would you put first? A, foundation. B, foundation. Or C, foundation?
I think I'll go with B.
You would go with B, foundation? Oh, fuck that. Alright guys, I'm gonna start off with this. I don't know if you can see it, but that's okay. It says Estee Lauder Double Wear. Alright, so I've seen you go like this. And I've also seen you go like this. But most of all, I've seen you go like this. Wait a second. Wait a second.
You can choose from these brushes.
Yeah. But you know what? I don't think I will.
No?
Nah, not today though. Tomorrow, yeah, but today, for this special occasion.
No brushes at all?
Well, no, I'm gonna use brushes, but just not for this. If you think about it, like, brushes are used for when you're painting, and not really so much for when you're setting the foundation for things.
What?
And if you guys learn anything today, make sure you learn that what I just said. I'm not gonna repeat it because I only say things once.
You're talking so much.
I'm not gonna repeat it because I only say things once. You gotta get the edges and the crevices.
Oh wait.
Yeah, nobody likes that word. I don't even know why. Oh, what? I didn't know there was people here.
What's next?
Obviously, whatever goes after putting on foundation goes next. Alright, so let me ask you something. When you started doing makeup, did you know what you were doing? Or did you
I watched
learn?
YouTube videos.
You're telling me that nobody ever taught you? So how are you so good at this? Well, let me tell you, you do a pretty good job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
By the way, I can't help you.
No, nobody can help me. That's funny because my mom told me the same thing when I was younger. Yeah.
What are you gonna... Okay.
What is that? But you know what they say?
What are you doing now?
I'm doing your makeup.
What step of the routine?
The part where I do it.
Oh.
Yeah. What is this?
Read it. Why don't you, like, read the product?
I can't even open it. That's the best part.
You want me to open it?
I got you.
What
It
is
says
that?
Kat Von D. It's red. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Wow, good job.
Yeah, so that's red.
You're a natural.
That's obviously blush.
Oh.
Because blush is red.
Yeah.
Shit, we blushed it up, am I right? Alright, just a little tag. There we go. Look at all that color. This is a...
You don't have to get so close.
This is a palette.
Read it. What palette is it?
It's a palette. It's a Too Faced.
Too Faced?
Yes. Oh, Clover. It says yes right here. Too Faced Clover palette. Look at all those fucking colors.
He picked it out
Look at that.
himself from my collection.
Yeah, they've made it. So when I see you, I see happiness, and I think sparkles.
Wow.
I think sparkles, which is
what color are you picking up?
TF mascot, or I'm guessing the fuck mascot.
No, Too Faced.
Oh. This color is cool. What the hell? Look at that. Are you guys seeing this? Wolf. Wolf looks cool. Oh, I like Wolf. We're going with Wolf. I'm gonna make you look like the night sky, baby.
Okay. Thank you.
Who beat you up?
Do I look pretty?
Did Brock Lesnar beat you up again?
I don't know who that is.
Oh man, he must have hit you that hard, huh?
What?
All right, and then some blue. This is a nice blue. This is spoiled. Wow, this blue is not that blue.
It's not that blue? It's not that pigmented?
I don't think so.
Maybe you should try using your finger.
Why would I do that?
Because that's what I have to do sometimes. I'm giving you some advice. And I'm not even supposed to.
Are you telling me I don't know what I'm doing?
Yes.
Look at me. You look like you have a dirty little secret.
Yeah.
Alright guys, if you learn anything today, use your fingers.
It's okay to use your fingers.
It's okay to use your fingers. You could use your nose, but do not use your tongue.
Nope. The next step is my favorite part.
What's
and
that?
I'm so excited. Wings.
But which one is the wing?
Well, I gave you two options. You gotta.
Where's
you're
one?
holding it.
This is number one.
That's number one.
It's a thing.
And there's also another option if that's too scary.
Can I do this one and then the other one? I don't see why not. Alright. So we're gonna start here. Wow, pretty. I like this. Wow.
Doing a good job?
Yeah. Define good.
Is it a straight line?
Can you define straight? Cause that depends.
I can feel that they're very wet. So I'm gonna.
Now we're gonna do your eyebrows. We need pretty eyebrows. Eyebrows don't define who you are, they define what you are.
What am I?
You're my girlfriend.
Oh.
Beautiful, yeah.
Wait, you didn't use the product.
What product?
You didn't use it.
Elf?
Yeah.
Yeah, I brushed your eyebrows.
But there's a there's a pencil
What's the pencil for?
to give it color. It's not
I
just
haven't
a
used a
brush.
pencil in a while.
Oh, okay.
So you gotta color it in?
Yeah.
Ooh, girl, you eyebrows be busted. Ooh.
Bro, look at yours.
What?
We have another guest.
This is my real girlfriend. The star of the show.
This is Lucy.
What do I do?
What's next? What's missing in my eyes?
In your eyes? Nothing. Your lips?
My eyes?
Your eyes? I don't know. Your eyelashes.
My eyelashes.
Da-da. Those
Okay, I'm
those
scared.
those lashes need volume. Those lashes need volume. Relax. I'm not gonna kill you.
Pretty?
Yeah, it does make a difference.
It does. Okay, so now it's nice.
But are these lipsticks?
Well, you could have used that one earlier, but you didn't. So
What is this, a concealer?
yeah,
To conceal your eyes.
yeah.
I can still use it.
Okay.
We can still use it, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right. Open up. Do, 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 do. And if there's
Remember, I have brushes.
yeah, but if there's anything I learned,
It's okay to use your finger. Is that a clean finger? Or did you have eyeshadow?
you're asking way too many questions. Oh, sorry guys, there's a ghost. There's a ghost.
Yeah.
Really haunted. This is
We have
actually-
another friend.
This is actually Paranormal Activity Part 7.
Okay.
Hey Liza.
Hi.
We got Lucy and Liza in here.
Hi, friend.
The real stars of the show.
Hello.
Lipstick, baby. I don't know. I kind of like this little Frozen thing going on here.
It's cute.
Yeah. Oh, it says Frozen too.
Yeah, it's frozen.
All right, Elsa. Give me your best Elsa. Give me your best Elsa.
I can't talk.
Well, doesn't that suck?
I'm trying not to look at myself. I'm looking straight at the camera, not at myself.
Ooh, I know what to do. I don't know. This looks fun. Man, this is a lot of dust.
It's powder, not dust.
What is this?
It makes sure that I don't get.
Hey, you can't tell me what it does. It
But
was
you
a,
asked me.
I know, but setting spray.
That is perfume, so do not spray that on me.
Oh man, I don't know. Highlighter.
Thank you.
Highlighter.
Woo!
Bro, your boy knows what he's doing. Now now it's highlighting. Oh my god. Do
Oh
yourself.
my god. No. Am I glowing?
Are you? Do you feel it?
Okay.
How do I look? With my eyes. With my eyes.
I'm nervous.
Well, you're in luck because I have a mirror.
Oh, wait.
Ding, 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 ding. It's good, right?
It's so ugly.
Babe.
The eyeshadow's kind of sick. I kind of like it.
Yeah, I made it like the sky.
My lips are a little bit
Busted.
busted.
But that's
The
okay.
foundation's weird.
It fits your personality.
Damn, bro. That's pretty bad.
That's not for you to decide.
Yes, it is.
That's for our beautiful viewers.
Our beauty. Look at yourself.
Look at you guys. From this angle, I almost got it. There you go. You guys kind of look like me from this angle.
Caesar said I had to show you guys my makeup look up close and personal. I think the eyeshadow came out pretty good. He put my concealer on with a dirty finger. So look.
What are we talking about?
Do you think I look
Yes.
pretty? If I showed up to a date,
Yes.
would you still?
Buy you a hot dog? Yeah.
You would?
Yeah. 2 hot dogs. 1 for me and 1 for you. But that's not for us to decide, babe. That's for these beautiful people right here.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Guys and girls.
Guys and girls.
And dogs.
Let me know what other videos you guys want to see with my boyfriend.
Let me know if you guys want to see me eat Chipotle. We're trying to get sponsored, you know. We're trying to get the Chipotle check. Chipotle is good. Eat Chipotle. Chipotle has a delivery special, $1. Depends. I don't know if you guys are watching this in the future, but if you are, then it's probably not there. Rice and beans, Chipotle. That's it.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys. You have to say it with me.
What's wrong with your face?
say-
I'll see you guys very, 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 very soon.
Bye.